Hey everyone, life has been crazy busy. I've been working like 6:30 to 4 or 5 o'clock each day this week. Yesterday I was off by 3:30. Not like off, like if you knew, I work from home. But it's been busy and I love busy. I love seeing business grow, but my house has kind of taken a toll from the busy work week. So I have loads of laundry on the couch. Literally, that would be 4 loads of laundry on my couch right now. Not the highest we've ever had, but still don't want 4 loads of laundry on my couch. School corner, gonna have to be redone. That box is from stuff that we were trying to clear out whenever we were decluttering my room. I didn't film that. We did film girls' room decluttering. So the 2 garbage bags of clothes that we cleaned out of the room still in here. So when Matt gets home, I'm gonna get all this out of here. But today you're watch me clean this. The girls will help me when they finish school. School is always top priority. I clean while they do school. I stop and grade papers as I need to. So they're still doing school, but mostly like this is me. This is what I need to do. And then they put their own clothes away. Like you see some clothes there. I lay them out, they put their own clothes away, except for hanging. I do their hanging for them. Just because Rebecca's not tall enough and I feel like it's not fair to only have 2 of the 3 hanging from the same closet. So I look like a hot mess today. But I'm gonna get some cleaning done on the house so tomorrow night we can do our spa night. I'm also thinking about replacing this bouquet. Now it was a really beautiful bouquet when we first bought it, but like 3-4 years later now, it's just starting to look sickly. Oh, and the other day when we were doing a cleaning for fall, yeah, we were doing the video where we were cleaning just the stuff to put the fall decorations out. My phone's sitting right there because I'll watch other YouTube moms while I'm cleaning, and that one was just Dana Creates, so I just finished watching hers for the day. Flip through other YouTube moms and watch their videos while I'm cleaning, and it just kind of gives me more cleaning motivation. So the other day Matt drilled a hole in here. You saw it in the video before, what it looked like before. If not, I'll link it in the eye in sky. But this has been working out amazingly. I think the charging station's working out well for the girls. So they love having this charging station here. It's just like a file tray that you put for offices. This is a stand that they can put the iPad on. Like there's some times that we literally will put movies on their iPad, and because they have Netflix on their iPad, they have to have a passcode to get into it, but they have movies on their iPad. We can use that stand to prop it up. The other one is a tablet for the kids to use, but normally the iPad's right here. I think one of them is using it, or it may be charging somewhere else right now. But this is where they normally charge it. But no, I'm thinking about replacing these. These are leaves that I made, and I don't know, I'm ready for something new, because I think I've had some of the same stuff for 3-4 years now. And like I said, these were really beautiful before, but now like to me they just look kind of almost wilted, and they're fake. They shouldn't look wilted. But I'm thinking about changing these out. I'm glad that the strip is in now because it makes it just look so much more neat and organized. I'm gonna see if I can step around my coffee table and show you zoomed out. See, I just love how it looks so much more neat and organized. But I'm thinking of redoing this shelf. I'm really happy with this one. I like how it just looks more simplistic to me. I do put the burlap underneath here because I like the way that looks. And then I just think that's cute right there. But I don't know, I may change that later too. Main goal, to get cleaning done. So these are the bags of clothes that the girls have outgrown, and these are like the nicer clothes that we're donating. That one is just to get rid of bag. So we have at least 2 loads of towels on here, have a couple loads of laundry. So we're gonna get started. So I want to know if this drives anybody else nuts. I got this whole stack cleared, or this whole cushion cleared off, so I could bring the teacher keys in here and not with the kids in there, to fold the first 2 loads of towels on right here. And I get this cushion cleared off, and then the dryer buzzes. So now the basket I just finished emptying, before I get to finish folding the rest of this, is already ready to fold. Does that just like ever, whenever you're getting caught up on laundry, you hear the dryer buzz and you're just like, I mean, is that just me? Let me know below. Is that just me, or have you ever just been like that where you were getting caught up on laundry, working on it, and then the dryer gets done, so you have to swap laundry over. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. All I have left is the basket that just came out and the big stack. And then I'm done with the laundry part, which is the biggest part of this, other than the stuff to put in the truck. But Matt won't be off for like 3 or 4 hours, depending on how much overtime he has today. So there's a better view of it. So I've got to wait for him to get off before I can load it. Right now we're still sharing one vehicle, and I'll probably get all of it taken off Sunday between church services. So there's that. So let's get back to that before the dryer buzzes again. All of the laundry is officially folded. There is a hanging stack here. I like doing all the hanging all at once just to get it all the way. I went ahead and opened the blinds up. I only open them up whenever we're actually in here, just because like delivery people will come back and forth sometimes delivering stuff, because it's cheaper for us to have it shipped to our house than it is to actually go get things. So I just prefer to have them closed just because my personal reasons. Anyways, that's all folded. All of the girls' clothes are folded, sorted, ready for them to put away. I also like the little packs in that, or tissue box, or tissue packs you can see there. All the little tissue packs you can see there, couldn't think of that name for a second, are also like little things like that. If it's theirs to put away, I will also put them on the coffee table. Speaking of coffee table, I'm slowly working through reading my Better Homes and Gardens. I was caught up in spring and now I'm behind again. So I'm trying to slowly read over them. I don't want to like rush and then not absorb it, because I mean those cost the person who purchased those for me, so I want to absorb them and read them. But the couch is done. I need to move my backpack to my room. So I'm not a purse girl, I'm definitely a backpack girl. This is a crate of miscellaneous school stuff. I need to sort back through it and make sure everything is in there okay. That was a bag from the fall clothes, but I think it might have a hole in it, so I'm gonna pack it away until the fall clothes get packed down. Then I'll check it again. See, there's another one right there, still in the plastic. Actually, that one was not mine. It was in a stack of stuff from my grandmother that was over here that we cleaned out when we were doing our fall cleaning. So now I'm gonna go through those and see what I'm gonna keep, because to me, like, some crochet patterns eventually go like out of date, and I don't want to keep the ones that I'm never going to use, because to me that's just not practical. But definitely going to get the couch done before we even start on this chaos over here. But I'm glad this is done, and yes, I did get done before the dryer buzzed again. The couch is officially cleared off. I still have the tablet playing videos, but the phone's taking a break. It needed charged. I need to hang the clothes that need to be put away. I said officially cleared off, but like all the folded laundry is put away. The last load for the day is in the dryer. I mean, like, unless the girls have some hidden laundry that I didn't see in their room earlier, I'm on my last load of the day. I can normally stay caught if I do 1 to 2 loads today. I've done 4 or 5 today. But like I said, I've been working 9-hour days, so I was a little off. I'm gonna put everybody's hanging clothes away. That's the stack of school books that I need to grade once everybody's done with school for the day. And I need to sort through these magazines that were my grandmother's to put away. Rebecca has been slowly working on putting away some of the school stuff, like bookmarks and rulers and things that we've been finding laying in places where they shouldn't be. So that's our current goal, is I'm gonna work on this pile right here. It is day 3. We had some progress and then we've had some setbacks. After the weekend, we did end up having laundry again, so I do have to go ahead and fold another couch full of laundry. Not terrible. It's not as many loads this time. It's only 3 or 4 this time versus the 6 or 7 last time. The bags of clothes did get taken off though. That one I'm still feeling on getting rid of. But the bags of clothes have been taken care of. The magazines are bagged up to go to the library. We did get rid of some of the things that were in these boxes. So today I am going to finish up this portion of the room. I'm going to finish up everything to the slate floor for the fireplace, because all the rest of that is marked off as school corner. The next time I show you this room, I hope to have it completely ready to reveal what it looked like. Here is the living room completely finished. And yes, I'm standing in the school corner because it is still a mess. I left this table alone. I did add some of this in here around the base just because it looked kind of empty on its own. And I love these fake flowers with a little bit of the burlap in with them. I just thought that they looked really pretty, like the way they are. I may turn the flowers in the vase a little bit so that these are on the front, but not right now. It's my only fall vase I have right now. I did go ahead and pull the Southern Grace candle out. We found that we were doing our spa night the other night. It's nice to have that subtle scent that's not just a holiday scent. The salted caramel is pretty much gone. I need to get a warmer for it, and I'm going to put the warmer right here and melt this down. The Smoky Mountain has a good blend, and it mostly, to me, almost reminds me of Christmas, but it also has a mountainy scent, so I went ahead and left it out. Went ahead and left this as is. I did take all of these sunflowers out, so I decided that what it was is that after years and years of always using sunflowers, I wanted to do something different. So I did a just leaf and berry display and put the random leaves down. I might get some other little things to stand on here, but right now I'm pretty happy with it. And I'm happy with this whole area being cleaned off to just used for decoration. And I love that we have the strip now for the cords. I also took the crochet leaves off of here. I just didn't care for them anymore. I need to get replacement stands for those. I have the single candle right here on a leaf. It's just kind of there for now. I'm still looking at some things. Still kind of happy with this. The chalkboard's still up there. But overall, really happy with the living room being done. I did want to show you that decoration real quick. So that's it for the living room clean with me. It took 3 partial days to get done, but I'm super happy with how it looks now. And now I can focus on just getting the school corner done and finished off before some adventures that we have coming up on Saturday. Thank you for following us along. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.